Every weekend, horse racing fans in Japan face the same question. The numbers say this horse is fast. But why? A prediction without a reason is just a guess. KEIBA Insight is my answer. A race analysis dashboard built on 36 years of official racing data, over 220,000 races. That foundation existed before what we built during OpenAI Build Week, with Codex and GPT-5.6 Sol, is the layer that matters most. Explainability. KEIBA Insight doesn't predict winners, it shows the evidence. Here is a real race card. For every horse, KEIBA Insight projects a finish time for today's exact conditions. This venue, this distance, this going, this class. The top projections are highlighted. Most tools stop here, at a number. This is where KEIBA Insight starts. Behind every number is the evidence, the exact past race it came from, the date, the track, the distance, the actual time, and the margin. Every projected time is traceable to source races, adjustments, confidence, and data limitations. Nothing is hidden behind the score. When the model adjusts, it says so. A surface switch adds a correction, marked right on the badge. A first-time blinker is flagged. And when the data is thin, a single qualifying run, it warns you, instead of pretending to know. The 7-run comparison lines up every horse's recent times, converted to today's class, with filters for distance and period, averages, best runs, and finished positions, all in one view, all traceable. This analysis layer was built in 1 week, 28 product commits during the submission period. GPT-5.6 Sol helped us understand the complex code base and find overlooked bugs and edge cases. Codex implemented and tested the changes end-to-end, the prediction support model, the API, the UI, and the tests. I made the racing domain decisions and validated the results against real race data. KEIBA Insight shows evidence, not just a prediction. Built with Codex and GPT 5.6 during OpenAI Build Week. Thank you for watching.